Welcome to my channel. This is Mallu. Today's video we are going to checking out an endoscope made by TESLONG. This is really good tools to get into places that you wouldn't normally able to get in. Things like pipes, vents, automotive and other applications. Actually, I am using this for only my safeguarding purpose. So let's take a closer look at this inspection camera kit. It's coming with hard protective case. There is some technical specification here. Model number is NTS 500B. Screen type 5-inch IPS display, so you are able to see from the angle. The resolution is 720p. The DB is able to record the videos and images internally on the micro SD card at 1080p quality. It's battery operated, so it's rechargeable. Let's open it up. We have latches here. This is a manual. Type-C charging cable. Rear support. Some attachments, magnetic. So you can take things from the tiny holes. This is small mirror is here for 360 view. This is the main unit with the camera. This camera attached to the main unit with this small Allen key. You can remove this screw with this Allen key, and if you want, you can attach this longer cables. This is optional. Now let's put it on. There is two cameras here. The straight one coming with LED lighting with 3-step adjustable light: high, medium, low and off. Also there is 90-degree camera. It's also coming with LED light. You can change it from this button. There is one more torch here. You can operate with this button. See here. Some settings here. You can take video and photos from this camera. Press the M button. Let's change it to video mode. This playback mode. This camera mode. Let's change the mode and take the this is shutter button. Press here. You can take photos. You will get that photos here. It's very simple device. Slim and compactable. Unique design. It's very useful for me. Thank you for watching. You can buy this product from Amazon. Link in the description below.